Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 5B. Exercise 5A yesterday I have given in the WhatsApp, in which you have to divide two given numbers. Okay, in exercise 5B we have to divide the numbers but with some particular numbers such as 10, 100,000 and 10,000. Fine. So now let us start exercise 5B. Question number 1 says divide and write the answer. Divide and write the answers. Part A, 43 divided by 10. You have to write quotient and remainder in each of the question. Fine. So what will be the quotient? And what will be the remainder? We have to write these two things. So students, first of all, I'm going to divide 43 by 10. So 10 fours are 40 and 3 is the remainder. So this number is called quotient and this is called remainder. Okay, so the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 3. Fine. Now C part. 1567 divided by 10. So divide 1567 by 10. So first of all, 10 ones are 10, 5 remainder. Now we will write 6 here. 10 fives are 50, 6 remainder. Again we'll write 7. So 10 6 are 60. So the 7 is remainder finally. So the quotient is 156 and the remainder is 7. Okay, so this is the answer. So this was part C. Now I'm going to solve part G for you. In part G, 7,942 divided by 1,000. So what will be the quotient and remainder? So first of all, divide 7,942 by 1,000. So 1,000 sevens are 7,000. 942 is your remainder. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 7 and 942 is remainder. We cannot proceed this question further. Why? Because 942 is lesser than 1000. That is why we will stop here and the quotient is 7 and remainder is 942. Fine. In the same way you will do all the parts of this exercise. Students, now question 2, copy and divide using both long and short division method. Question is saying copy and divide. So question 2 is 40 divided by 367. Okay students, so 40, now as you can see 40 ones are 40 and 42s are 80. So 80 is more than 63. That is why we will read the table of 40 so that we can reach at least till 367. Okay, so let's say 40 into 8 is 320. Okay, so 320 is less than 367. So 40 into 9 we will do. So we will get 360, and 360 is less than, but it is nearby 367. So we will take the table, read the table till 9. So 49s are 360. Now 7 is your remainder. So this is the answer. Okay. So the quotient is 9 and remainder is 7. That's it. In the same way, you will do all the given questions. So your homework is question 1 to question 9 you have to do in homework.